Visiting the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, is often a highlight for people coming to Dubai. Whether you want to experience the thrill of its observation decks or dine at its exclusive restaurants, getting the right ticket is key. The Burj Khalifa has a whopping 163 floors that contain residences, corporate suites, restaurants and hotels. But not all areas are open to the general public. As a visitor, there are three main areas you can explore all year round. The first two are observation decks. There's At the Top on levels 124 and 125, and At the Top Sky on level 148. Both decks offer 360-degree panoramic views of the entire city. The third option for visitors is its restaurants. You can choose from high-end options to elevated dining experiences. These restaurants are present on various levels, and some of the popular ones, like The Lounge and At.Mosphere, are located pretty high up in the tower. The most popular ticket option for the Burj Khalifa are tickets to At the Top, which is spread across two levels. Your experience will start by taking one of the fastest elevators in the world to reach the 124th level in under a minute. Once you get there, you'll have beautiful views of the Arabian Gulf through high-powered telescopes. Step out onto the outdoor observation terrace to gaze at the ever-growing Dubai skyline. Level 125 above is a spacious deck that stands out with its ceilings adorned in Arabic mashrabiyya artwork. When booking, you'll find premium sunset slots available at a higher price. While this ticket costs more, watching the sunset from the Burj is an unforgettable experience and will be the highlight of your trip. To have a more serene time, go for the sunrise experience or visit early in the day on a weekday when there are relatively lesser visitors. Situated on the 148th level, At the Top Sky is the world's highest observation deck with an outdoor terrace at 555 meters. An At the Top experience not only grants you fast-track entry, but also includes a personalized tour led by a guest ambassador and signature refreshments at the Sky Lounge. These tickets include access to At the Top, so you are free to visit levels 124 and 125 when you're here. Now, there's more to Burj Khalifa than observation decks, and that is where the dining experience comes in. With this ticket, you can dine at one of Dubai's finest, the Michelin star restaurant At.Mosphere, which is located all the way up on level 122. Elevate your day with a 3-course breakfast or a refreshing afternoon tea package with a view of Dubai's gorgeous skyline. Alternatively, you can have a 3-course lunch here that comes with selected house beverages. No matter which option you choose, you are in for a fabulous experience when dining at the Burj Khalifa. Now, that covers tickets to the Burj Khalifa. But when you step outside to explore downtown Dubai, you'll find many attractions right around the corner. You've got the Dubai Mall, Dubai Fountain, Dubai Aquarium, and Sky Views Dubai, all within walking distance of each other. With our combo tickets, you can get a value deal and save on the cost of buying separate tickets for different attractions. One of the most popular attractions is the Dubai Fountain, with daily shows every 30 minutes between 6 p.m. and 11 p.m. If you opt for the sunset experience or visit in the evening, you can see the fountain show from the observation decks. Another attraction right near the tower is the Dubai Aquarium, situated on the ground floor of the Dubai Mall. Other popular combos include experiences like Desert Safari, Sky Views Dubai, Dubai Frame, Miracle Gardens, and IMG Worlds of Adventure. We hope this video helped you find the right Burj Khalifa experience for your visit. All you need to do is choose your preferred timings, enter your details, and complete your bookings. You'll receive instant confirmation, a convenient mobile ticket, and the flexibility of free cancellation up to 72 hours before you go. Booking with Headout is as simple as that. So book your tickets today and have an incredible trip to the Burj Khalifa.